Welcome back to our Ha Giang Loop adventure. Today is day 4, our final day on the loop, and we're heading to one of the most popular spots in the region, Gia Waterfall. After days of winding mountain roads, epic views, and unforgettable experiences, today is all about slowing down and enjoying the natural beauty of northern Vietnam. Breakfast was simple but exactly what we needed. A steaming bowl of noodles, fresh herbs, and a hot coffee. Gia Waterfall is just a short ride from the village, making it an easy stop for anyone doing the Ha Giang Loop. The route may be short, but the scenery definitely does not disappoint. Every corner seems to offer another incredible view. Tucked away amongst the trees, this waterfall has become a favourite stop for travellers completing the loop. Crystal clear water, natural rock pools, and a peaceful atmosphere make it the perfect place to relax.
So I've just checked back into our hotel in Ha Giang, which is the Sheraton 4 Points, and the last time we stayed here before the loop, it was a deluxe king room, which was about $100 Australian a night. This time, to our surprise, they've upgraded us. I don't know how that happened, but we've been upgraded to a family suite, and it's massive. It's got a little kids' bedroom, and it's even got a kid-sized bathroom. There's a little lounge room, TV, the cutest little tent, kids, fridge, water. And then through here is the bedroom. So we've got huge room, nice little bench there to put some luggage. I don't know if it's going to make it too bright, but another gorgeous view. You can see that on there. It's a bit of a different view to what we had in our own room. Beautifully made bed. I almost don't want to mess it up. That is comfy. That's what it is. And then we've got a huge bathroom, another little set of wardrobes, more space for luggage, and beautiful bathroom, toilet, shower, and a bath. So I get to have a bath tonight. So I'm excited about that.